Good morning, everybody. At the end of the Great Ocean Road, I'm just throwing in a bonus episode. As I pulled out of the town, I noticed that my TBELT light came up on the screen, and of course, well, I did have a panic, and I pulled up and I went, what could be wrong? Anyway, I have done the belt probably about 30-odd thousand Ks ago, maybe not that long ago. So anyway, I'm going to show you how to reset it because it didn't get reset. At the time when we did all that major work to the engine from Dan, I'm not blaming Dan, but anyway, it will make for a good episode. So I'm going to show you how to reset that T-belt warning light. Car's coming up to 200, it's 299,647 kilometers now. So probably in the next day or two, I'm going to click over the 300. So I'll definitely be showing you that. Well, I found somewhere to pull over and grab a bite to eat and a coffee while I reset that T-belt. So I'm going to make me a nice coffee. So look at that. Look at that, eh? Just in a little town.
Why do you choose that path? Oh, I'm not seeing that, but I'm going for like 3 days. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. So really very like actually.
Oh, that must be for me. Look at that. Oh, how awesome is that? What a nice little place to come past. Sorry. Oh, well, so if you stop and smell the roses, these are the nice little places that you can find along the way. Ooh, it's absolutely awesome. Well, now is the time. Look at this place. Meredith, if you ever here, make sure you call past Meredith Dairy. Beautiful little coffee shop. They're fairly new and great service. And I bought some goat's cheese for my wife, Shelley. So anyway, back to it. T-belt light. Reset time. All right, so hopefully you can see what I'm doing. First thing we need to do is start the car.
Welcome to Uniden Dashcam.
That's my dash cam starting up. Just turn the steering wheel. All right, so there we go. We've got the T-belt light going. So what we have to do is we need to press our little button down here, this one here, and change the odo. Whoop, don't need music going. I'll get copyrighted for that. So we go to trip B. Okay, so we've got trip B. We then turn the car off. Whoop. All right, everyone. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hold this button down, the trip button. I'm going to hold it down and I'm going to put the ignition on. So that means you press the engine start button twice without your foot on the brake. And you'll see that it's flashing. Give it another 5 seconds. And then you take this off. And then you press it once and you've got that 15 coming up. So what you do is you press this button 15 times. 1, 2, 3, all the way until you get to 15. 15, and then hold it down again. Let it go. T-belt's gone off. And then we start the car and we should have no T-belt. And that is magic. There you go. Now, to be quite honest, I had about 3 goes at doing this video. If you get one little thing precisely not right, it won't work. So anyway, now I'm off to see the PRADO man, PRADO himself, Anthony, from the PRADO hospital. PRADO diesel 4x4. So yeah, I'll leave a link actually in there for you to check him out if you haven't heard of him. He's the next best thing from Dan from Leviathan up in Toowoomba for me. So it'd be good to catch up and share a few stories and show him my Prado. Anyway, so look at that. All done. And I'll just go back to here. And I've done 299,770. So we're going to get to the 300 mark very soon. Anyway, enough out of me. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one. Prado 150 out of here. Oh, there we go. 300,000 Ks on the Prado. Whoa, that's a good solid effort, isn't it? Looks a bit wombatty, mate. You wombat holes? Yeah.